Now, next thing on the agenda is the poll. Now, as I told you guys before, time and time again, me personally, me watch poll. I am interested in what is going on in the poll and what is said in the poll. But you know what I hear today on the poll when them say 51% of the Jamaican people say government corrupt. Labor rights, nobody take that serious. Because when Jamaican people say people corrupt, I want them to know what corruption mean. Because when you go down a transport authority and buy a license, that's corruption. When the police stop you and you pay the police so you don't get no ticket, that's corruption. When you go to wharf and you pay money, that the people them charge you money for you skip the line, that's corruption. So when me hear Jamaican people say, oh, politicians corrupt, me not look upon them. I don't look upon them because as far as me see it, thief don't like city thief with long bag. So the people them want to say, oh, politicians are corrupt. Uno corrupt too. Uno corrupt because 90% of uno don't never drive for uno license, not buy uno license. So uno don't know what corruption mean. 90% of uno did not go down at the transport authority and drive for uno license, not buy uno buy it. That is dishonesty. When you go to wharf, I want to pay money to get to the barrel and bag and pan them quick and fast. That is corruption as well. When Mark Jefferson Golding hide him asset in a foreign trust, that is corruption. So, I don't really know what is corruption, so I go no pass for that. I go no pass for that because I don't really understand what I say. Because there was a thing so when you go over El Shaf, you go buy fish. I don't know where the fish until we see a 3 pound. And when the fish come out, the fish like a feather. That is corruption as well. Oh no corruption. When me you talk say corruption, me not pay on no mind because from me born out of my mother womb, you know say politician corrupt. Because you can't get forget none for thief and you can't get the handout. You know PNP people, you are the main one. That's why I talk about government corrupt. Who corrupt like the People's National Party? Who corrupt like PJ Patterson and Philip Palwell? Who corrupt like them? Who corrupt like Mark Jefferson Golding who hiding asset in a foreign trust? Who corrupt like the People's National Party? Remember in the 90s, PNP was known as the most corrupt organization in the Caribbean, you know. Who not remember? Who corrupt like Percival? Remember Percival come to Parliament, can change the law in the dead of night. And make it that when he resign, when in time up, he might get the same salary as the current prime minister that we have now. Who corrupt like Percival? Who corrupt like Palwell? Who corrupt like Mark Jefferson Golding? Who corrupt like PNP? So when me hear PNP people talk about people corrupt, me I go no pass because I don't know what corruption mean. PNP, when it comes to corruption, you guys have no moral authority to be speaking on corruption. Because remember, uno thief uno own a campaign fund. Uno forgot? Uno forgot say uno thief uno own a campaign funds, comrade? Uno forget say in a PNP time, once the PNP give you a contract, you have to give them 10% as finder's fee. Who corrupt like the People's National Party? So when me say PNP I talk about all the JLP corrupt, me not pay you no mind because I don't know what corruption mean. If you don't want to know corruption, just ask Percival. If you don't want to know about corruption, don't ask Palwell. If you don't want to know about corruption, don't ask Ian Hills. If you don't want to know about corruption, ask Omar Davis. If you don't want to know about corruption, ask Mr. Traffic Guru and Portia. What do you understand? And you see people with a pied finger and call people corruption. Uno corrupt. Because we're not extort people that is corruption. We're not collect dues from people. We're not walk around and collect dues from people. Lower the man, all out corruption. You don't know what corruption mean. So when me see the poll come out today and say, oh, 51% say that the government is corrupt, pay on the mind. You don't know what thing about corruption. I don't know what no corner. Me not perturbed. We're not perturbed, my love, because I don't know corruption.